PhilHealth, walang subsidiya. Health insurance, can't live with them, can't live without it, or can you? The Senate and the House of Representatives think so. The Philippine Health Insurance Corporation, or PhilHealth, is a government-owned controlled corporation, or GOCC, that provides health insurance to the country's citizen. Pero sa recent deliberation discussions nung kung ano sa PhilHealth budget, both chambers of the Congress has agreed na hindi na kailangan ng bigyan ng subsidy ang PhilHealth dahil sa recently uncovered o naisiwalat na almost 600 billion pesos na reserbang pera. Now, I myself was shocked sa 600 billion pesos na reserved funds ng PhilHealth because that's not a budget to scoff at. Kasi, again, 600 billion tapos ang taas ng sinisingil nila sa mga empleyado para sa insurance nila, di ba parang napakalaki nun. Ang sabi ni Finance Committee Chair Senator Grace Poe, they allotted 0 pesos, 0 pesos sa subsidy ng PhilHealth because of the recently uncovered reserved funds. She said na they should first rely on that before getting 100 billion pesos in subsidies in their vaults before taking a portion of the pie in the GAA 2025 budget.
Ito ang isang very contentious. Okay? Nakita natin na ang PhilHealth, yung subsidiya na ibinibigay ng gobyerno, na hindi man lang nila nagagamit. Okay? Ang PhilHealth ngayon, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, merong 600 billion na reserve funds. Nakadeposito lang yan sa